First reading, Jeremiah chapter 2 verse 1 to 3, 7 to 8, 12 to 13. And the word of the Lord came to me, saying, Go, and cry in the ears of Jerusalem, saying, Thus saith the Lord, I have remembered thee, pitying thy soul, pitying thy youth, and the love of thy espousals, when thou followedst me in the desert, in a land that is not sown. Israel is holy to the Lord, the first fruits of his increase. All they that devour him offend, evils shall come upon them, saith the Lord. And I brought you into the land of Carmel, to eat the fruit thereof, and the best things thereof, and when ye entered in, you defiled my land, and made my inheritance an abomination. The priests did not say, Where is the Lord? And they that held the law knew me not, and the pastors transgressed against me, and the prophets prophesied in Baal, and followed idols. Be astonished, O ye heavens, at this, and ye gates thereof, be very desolate, saith the Lord. For my people have done two evils. They have forsaken me, the fountain of living water, and have digged to themselves cisterns, broken cisterns, that can hold no water. Psalms chapter 36 verse 6 to 11. O Lord, thy mercy is in heaven, and thy truth reacheth, even to the clouds. Thy justice is as the mountains of God, thy judgments are a great deep. Men and beasts thou wilt preserve, O Lord. O how hast thou multiplied thy mercy, O God! But the children of men shall put their trust under the covert of thy wings. They shall be inebriated with the plenty of thy house, and thou shalt make them drink of the torrent of thy pleasure. For with thee is the fountain of life, and in thy light we shall see light. Extend thy mercy to them that know thee, and thy justice to them that are right in heart. Gospel, Matthew chapter 13 verse 10 to 17. And his disciples came and said to him, Why speakest thou to them in parables? Who answered and said to them, Because to you it is given to know the mysteries of the kingdom of heaven, but to them it is not given. For he that hath, to him shall be given, and he shall abound, but he that hath not, from him shall be taken away that also which he hath. Therefore do I speak to them in parables, because seeing they see not, and hearing they hear not, neither do they understand. And the prophecy of Isaiah is fulfilled in them, who saith, By hearing you shall hear, and shall not understand, and seeing you shall see, and shall not perceive. For the heart of this people is gross, and with their ears they have been dull of hearing, and their eyes they have shut. Lest at any time they should see with their eyes, and hear with their ears, and understand with their heart, and be converted, and I should heal them. But blessed are your eyes, because they see, and your ears, because they hear. For, Amen, I say to you, many prophets and just men have desired to see the things that you see, and have not seen them, and to hear the things that you hear and have not heard them.